Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and going directly to Wallpaper. Don't pause, tap Wallpaper to reveal your current lock and home screens. Once visible, choose Customize or My Wallpapers to expose saved collections and individual images. You need to identify the collection you want to remove. Sometimes it's labeled or grouped by album. If you see a collection of multiple images, tap it to enter edit mode so you can remove items or the entire set. This first action gets you into the right place. Now you're editing the collection itself. Tap Edit or the three-dot menu to enable selection. You'll see checkboxes or swipe gestures appear. Select each image you want gone, then choose Delete, Remove, or Clear, depending on iOS wording, to remove them from the collection. If you prefer to delete the entire collection at once, look for Remove Collection or Delete Album in the Options menu. Confirm when prompted. Make sure you don't accidentally delete images you still want in Photos by checking Selection first. Finish by confirming the deletion when iOS asks. This finalizes removal from wallpapers. Once done, exit Settings and verify lock and home screens no longer show those images. If a wallpaper persists, restart your iPhone and reopen Wallpaper. Sometimes caches need a reboot. If deleted images reappear, check iCloud Photos or a synced device. You may need to remove the image from the shared source. And if settings won't let you delete, update iOS or sign out and back into iCloud to reset permissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.